Sonagra Brands, which will be selling its entire 51% stake in Agro Tech Foods to Samara Capital and Infinity Holdings. That's exactly the news which has been brewing. Somit is here to explain us the particulars of this deal.
Move, the existing promoters of Agro Tech, that is ConAgra, has decided to sell their entire 51.77% stake to private equity investors, that is Samara Capital and Infinity Holding. But what is more intriguing here is that the price at which they are selling this stake. The existing promoters are selling their stake at a price of around 515 as compared to yesterday's closing price of 998 rupees per share, which means that they are selling their stake at a steep discount of nearly 48%. Now, given the fact that the private equity investors are acquiring such a large chunk from the promoters, they're also making an open offer for the public shareholders to acquire nearly 26% stake, and that is being done at a price of around 578 rupees, which is at a discount of nearly 42% to yesterday's closing price, but at a premium of nearly 12% compared to the price that they have offered to the promoters. Now, what does this mean? Now, this is kind of negative for the company's stock prices, given the fact that it is being done at such a steep discount. This kind of indicates that the promoter believes that the real share price value of Agro Tech is at around 515 rupees. Now, some background or details about this company is offered. If you see, the financial performance of Agro Tech has been quite weak, owing to weak volumes and value growth in edible oil and food business. Now, the edible oil business contributes nearly 39% to the top line, while the food business contributes nearly 61% to the top line. However, analysts have mentioned that the company was trying to revive the business by taking various steps, like they were shifting focus to food business from the edible oil business. They had also started to invest in brand building, and they were also emphasizing more on improving their distribution footprint and product penetration. Also, do remember this stock is owned by the Rakesh Jhunjhunwala family. They own around 8% stake. Tata Mutual Fund owns close to 7.3% stake, while an FI investor, that is Pari Washington Funds, also owns close to 10.6% stake. And this company was incorporated by ITC, and over the years it was sold to ConAgra. So keep an eye out for Agro Tech Foods in trade.
All right, thanks very much. That's Agro Tech Foods. Watch out for that stock.